Shoot him whenever.
Sorry, guys. I was waiting for you to stand up.
No. Tyrone get him?
Tyrone got him.
First one in the morning. She banded or not? Jesus Christ, was it born yesterday?
If these two land, let them, and then the other two will come. Or that one at least.
I'll say take him. Shoot him.
Well, that center one got.
Hold on, another one. Oh! Single right here.
That one just sailed about 5 miles.
Now another one coming.
That same one out front might come too.
God,
These birds are fucking stupid.
These two are bombing in. Two of them. Shoot that single.
We waited for the other one.
Kill him.
Oh, fuck, you got dusted.
Nice shot. God, it's early.
That's okay.
Get back down. This single might come back. God, look at them feathers, man.
Way out back, too. There's 3 more.
None of these are
All
making
right,
it
stay
out.
down. Stay down.
None of them make it out.
Kill him. Good shooting, guys.
Go down.
All right. Oh, that one's thinking about dying.
He ate 2 of mine.
You guys.
I shot about 2 feet in front of him
Dude.
on first.
He is still going.
I was trying to pick the ones you guys weren't going to shoot at, but by the time that happened, they were all in different spots.
Here we go. Here we go.
All right, let me shoot. Wait and leave it alone.
Tyrone, get him.
About to pull up on him.
Oh, 5 back.
Yep.
Tyrone's back up.
Kill him. Well, one got away.
Boy, that crossing one got fucking rolled.
We're fucking
Let's go, dude.
right now.
Nice.
There we go. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Coming in, 3 coming in.
Oh, they're flipping.
Kill him.
Oh, right side.
Thriller.
We gotta trade or something. Someone different's gotta sit down there. More behind them though.
We'll shoot these 4.
You're flaring them.
Yeah. Oh. Kill him. Oh, coming back.
Nice.
One got away. What the fuck? We're done.
Right side. I'm just kidding.
Bro, that got hit like 3 times.
I know, I pumped 1 in him.
Huh?
Sorry, I got a little excited.
Oh, yeah, look at these 4. These 4
That fucking 5th one's coming right into these.
Oh, my God.
Kill him. Got a white one.
Really didn't want that white one to get away.
All right. See. Oh, we got a whole bunch coming. Holy moly.
They finally woke. That was quiet.
Excuse me. Leave that one. Kill him.
How is that one not dead?
I hit that thing 3 times.
Did you see all the feathers come off it right away?
Feathers off again.
Pressure.
See that other one behind him yet?
Really? Kill him. Got him. Oh, more coming. Get down, guys.
There's a single right here. Maybe. He's leaving.
I'd never sit down when there's singles coming. They're so stupid. I get to shoot first.
Yep.
Don't shoot, boys.
The easiest fucking one.
Jesus.
Should have given that to Nathan.
All right, Colton, you're next.
If that thing held any more still.
I probably would have missed.
Thing could have just floated there for like 10 more seconds.
Fuck. This one looks dumber than shit.
Leave this one. Leave it. Don't shoot it.
See if he'll land.
We should circle in together now. Turn around, fella. Kill him there. Kill that one. Get him.
Nice.
Nice.
Shot,
I
whoever
set
that
one at the
was.
100-yarder. But Dad,
Kill him. Nice.
Nice shooting, boys.
That was good.
Keep
oh,
going
he
the way
ate
left.
that.
He's done.
One more.
No. Got a single left side?
Fuck,
Oh,
you
yeah.
can't-
Yeah, here we go.
I might spinning behind that group.
The fucking.
These two.
Oh, right side,
crazy.
right side. Leave that one.
There's one eating the mojo.
All right, shoot him, shoot him.
Nice. Look at all the ones that just got
Oh.
up right there.
Right next to each
Look
other.
at them all on the left. Can we shoot him, Dad?
Kill him.
God, what
Go
the
down.
fuck? Go down, buddy.
All right, get back down. We got more coming.
My shell go off your head.
Yeah, right up my nose.
My bad.
You're good.
Oh shit, am I up?
I got him. Oh yeah, get him, Colton.
You want me to?
No,
See, wait.
I got him for you.
Head so hard on the
It's only one?
It's only one.
You did. Oh.
I thought there was two.
There's another one.
There
Well,
was
the other one's
one.
coming.
It landed way out
He's
there.
right there.
He might come over though. There he is.
There's one behind him.
He's well trained.
Should we kill it? Kill him. Nice, nice.
Shot on that one.
Oh, go down. There he goes.
I looked right at the fucking sun. I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, I kind of blinded myself.
Just wait, just wait. Kill him. Well, I had one. Get him, get him. Oh,
That is,
I had one bullet in. My bad. and I think I missed.
Oh.
Kill him.
Fuck.
Ooh,
He wants to.
some feathers fell off him. Let him land?
Let him.
I say make him die.
Shoot him.
Kill him.
Turkeys.
Oh!
right in the pocket. Thank you, boys.
Right.
He landed.
Fucking pack.
There's a 4-pack straight up.
I see
Nice
that.
group coming in on the left. Nice group. That sun is butt fucking me.
Kill him.
Nice.
You backed me up, I see.
Oh, get the white
Die
dipper.
in that yard.
Oh, right here, on the right, on the right, on the right, on the right.
Oh, he's going down. Nice shot.
That one's landing in the
Uh-oh.
fucking grove, bro. I go get him or what?
Uh-oh.
Oh! Fucking dumb.
Hey, get down, get down, get down. More coming, baby.
Aw, don't push the decoys. Come back,
left.
too.
Pair on the left.
Kill him there.
Nice.
Oh!
Oh, so tough when they're all scattered. Oh, we're trying to find some crips.
Holy shit, he's out in Narnia.
Well, we're out here picking up cripples. Morning, it was pretty decent so far. I don't know if our feed's done coming yet or if we're gonna get a couple more, but it hasn't been too bad. I think we're maybe up to 30 to 40 birds probably. So it's been a decent morning. Much needed. We haven't done this well, in about a year now, and this year's been kind of bad. My main spots that we've been to lately, the chicken birds got knocked down. So I think the majority of those pigeons probably died while they're knocking them down, but who knows. So I guess stay tuned, see if we can get into a couple more before the day's over. But yeah, no bands yet. Spread looks good though.
Shoot that.
Good night.
Shut up, nigger. Where'd the other one
go? Oh, those are not pigeons. Kill them.
Yeah.
There we go.
We got your pet.
Couple more.
Those 3 are going in that barn.
Here we go, nice and close.
Kill them.
Nice, nice.
One more.
That was good cleanup.
I'm excited.
Look at him working in.
Kill them.
Good shot. That was a brown one.
I got him. God damn, your choke is wide, man.
It's a full.
Hey, we got a pet.
Yeah, my friend. I'm gonna go get my friend.
No, you take it, buddy.
I got him.
Shots.
I hit it, guys. I didn't even shoot, but I hit it.
That was all Nathan. What do you mean?
Good job, Nathan.
I'm in Tyrone. Yeah.
They're right in front of us.
None of these can leave.
All right.
Oh, pretty one on the bottom. Shoot him there.
Oh, the pretty one.
That one's
He's going
down.
down, ain't he?
No.
Yeah.
You see it? Is it chewed up? No.
Nice one.
Nothing else in the area?
Probably. Good thing we got that out of the field, though.
Yeah, so it hasn't run it over. Reller, what'd you think?
Oh yeah, bud.
How'd it go, Leighton?
Killed a couple.
Killed a couple?
That's sweet.
Did you get any?
You got a couple.
More than 8, though.
Reller, what'd you get today?
I don't even think I shot one.
Bierman and I, we sat in the middle.
Did all the work.
I'd say we maybe got like, I don't know, what, 3 together?
Probably.
Killed about 500 bugs.
Yep.
Leighton back there, he's just Leighton. But 74 for the day. Leave a like, subscribe.
See you on the next one.